Companies that depend on assets such as equipment and machines to operate their business every day have to inspect the health condition of these assets regularly. More than 80% companies are still relying on manual inspection methods and mandatory regular maintenance cycles. Consequently, one of the most common problems is unexpected asset failures that leads to unplanned downtime and high cost of repairs. Now imagine, what if we don't have to inspect the machines manually? Instead, it is automatically monitored 24/7. We don't have to keep doing mandatory inspections and maintenance at regular intervals. Instead, we do when assets condition demands it. And most importantly, what if we can predict asset failure ahead of time and prevent the failure by performing proactive fixes? We at KFX make it happen. Our breakthrough predictive maintenance solutions can be installed on wide variety of machines and equipment without making any major structural changes and configured within days to start monitoring them. We combine variety of real-time asset data such as vibration, temperature, pressure, current, etc. and use superior machine learning techniques that can accurately detect early warning signs of asset condition as well as predict potential failures. With KFX solution, businesses will be able to achieve 40% reduction in maintenance cost, 60% reduction in unplanned downtime, and 25% extension of asset lifespan. At KFX, we have a breakthrough patented technology invention with which we are able to deploy large-scale industrial IoT solution 3 times faster and in half the cost as compared to other solutions available in the market. Our solution components are highly modular and standardized, which can even be installed and maintained at site without any IT staff. KFX has done industrial IoT deployments with many medium to large companies. Some of the prominent ones are OLC monitoring for Reliance Power at Sasan UMPP and predictive maintenance of multiple autoclave boilers and compressors at Bata's oldest factory in India. KFX is also the hardware partner to a Singapore-based gas leak detection company. KFX provides cost-effective and end-to-end solutions for remote central monitoring and predictive maintenance of critical assets and OEE monitoring and optimization. We are ready. Are you?